Hi, today me and my group is going to give a presentation on microbial fuel cells. So hi, I am Gaurang and let's begin with today's presentation. So what we are all going to see is the contents about MFC means microbial fuel cells are first introduction, principle, construction and its working, different types of MFCs and their designs, applications, it's very important, advantages and we conclude at last. So myself Gaurang, age 20 and I am going to give introduction. So first, what is MFC? We know that there is a global crisis and a lot of growth on fossil fuels and it has given a lot of global warming. Hence it is considered that a lot of research is happening for producing green energy, new types of green energy. MFC converts chemical energy into electrical energy by using some of the catalytic reaction through microorganisms. During this process, electrons are produced due to the metabolism of microorganisms and utilized for energy production. MFCs operate at ambient temperature and nearly neutral solutions. They are very easy to use and they operate on complex substrate present in wastewater. It can be also useful in wastewater harvestment. Thank you.
Myself Shukra Patil and my roll number is H52. I am here to explain the principle and working for microbial fuel cell. It consists of redox reaction and it consists of two chambers. One is anode chamber and other is cathode chamber, and in between them there is a cation selective membrane is there, and which transfers the H plus ions through them. There is a aerobic condition at anode and there is another one conditions at cathode which is anaerobic, and PM or a salt bridge joining two chambers for protons to diffuse. It can be used for wastewater treatment. And MFC is device which converts chemical energy into electrical energy by using microorganisms. These electrochemical cells are constructed using either cathode or bioanode. And before explaining the working of microbial fuel cell, the substrate at anode chamber for oxidation of anode are glucose, methanol and carbonic acid and organic acid, etc. For reduction at cathode, the molecular oxygen H2O2 is present. And in anode chamber there is a wastewater. As I told you, it can be used for wastewater treatment also. Due to microbes, wastewater is oxidized and there is a release of electrons through a semi-permeable membrane. These electrons are transferred by external circuit by absorbing through anode and transported to cathode by external circuit, and current passes through them. Wastewater degraded by this microbial fuel cell and we get H2O, and these electrons plus protons diffused in between salt bridge PM, that is converted into H plus ions, will combine with oxygen present in redox reaction to form H2O at cathode chamber. This is a working for microbial fuel cell.
Hello friends, my name is Saurav Sauke. My roll number is S61. Today I am going to tell you about the design of MFC. As we know that MFC means microbial fuel cell. Microbial fuel cell consists electrodes, cathodic and anodic chambers and the salt bridge. Basically, salt bridge is used for transfer of ions from one compartment to another compartment. So there is a two compartment MFC. As we see in the diagram, there are two compartments. So typically run in batch mode in medium like glucose or acetate to produce the current. So do you know about the batch mode? There are two types of modes. First is batch mode, second is continuous mode. Batch mode means there are neither inlet and nor outlet present, which is fully packed or closed. And continuous mode means it presents the inlet and outlet. So what electricity is produced by microbial fuel cell, which is used in only laboratories. So microbial fuel cells exist in various shapes like cylindrical, rectangular, and a flow with the cylindrical U-shaped cathode. As we see that the diagram is very complex, so it is difficult to scale up. The next we have to see that the types of MCs. There are four types. First is two chamber. As we see that there are two chambers. Next is plate. Third is single chamber, and fourth is continuous. Thank.
Hi friends, my name is Nabil Solkar. I am from H Division. Today I am going to explain application and advantages of microbial fuel cells. Application of microbial fuel cells. Microbial fuel cells are used in treatment of wastewater and waste solids, municipal wastewater, sanitary waste, organic waste from farm, has multiple organic components that fuel is microbial fuel cell. About 50 to 90% of organic solid like acetate, propionate, and butyrate are degraded. Continuous flow and single compartment MFCs preferred as scale of concern. They are used in bioelectricity, chemical energy of organic components converted into electricity rather than heat. They can also be used as power source of environmental sensors. They are also used in biohydrogen. Proton and electron produced at anode and combined to form hydrogen. The hydrogen can be accumulated and stored for later use to overcome inherent low power future of MFCs. Advantages of microbial fuel cell. They are efficient and gives direct conversion of organic substrate to the electricity. Unlike conventional cells, microbial fuel cells could operate well in mild conditions at pH of around 7. They can be installed in a location that lacking electrical infrastructure, alternative to the present source of fuel to meet energy needs. The gain to be made are that microbial fuel cells are a very clean and efficient method of energy production, and they also treat waste generate in daily life. So use of microbial fuel cell are like hitting two birds with one stone. Thank you very much.
My name is Shweta Sawant and my roll number is H63. We see the disadvantages of microbial fuel cell. Microbial fuel cell limit on a surface area of anode as bacteria can clog small pores and hence limit on the current. Power produced way below when compared with the conventional cells. The practical value of microbial fuel cell maximum voltage achieved is very low when compared to theoretical value. Microbial fuel cells still not economically competitive. This can be attributed to activation losses, bacteria metabolic losses, and concentration losses. These are the disadvantages of microbial fuel cell. Now we see the conclusion of the microbial fuel cell. Microbial fuel cells have been explored as a new source of electricity generation during operation of waste treatment. It can be used for production of secondary fuel as well as in bioremediation of toxic compounds. Phototrophic microbial fuel cell and solar powered microbial fuel cell also represent an exceptional attempt in the process of microbial fuel cell technology for electricity production. However, this technology is in only research stage and more research is required before the domestic microbial fuel cell can be made available for commercialization. Provided the biological understanding increases, the electrochemical technology advances and overall electrode prices decreases. This technology might qualify as a new core technology for conversion of carbohydrate to electricity in years to come. Thank you.